This is the story of an elephant and an ant. Once in a forest, there lived an elephant. He was very proud of his big size. He always troubled other animals in the forest and made fun of them. One day, as he was walking through the forest, he saw a parrot sitting on a tree. Ha 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 ha. Hi, you. What are you doing there? Don't you see me passing through? I am the most powerful animal of the forest. Come on, bow down to me. What? Why should I bow down to you? What? You don't know? Who are you talking to? I will teach you to respect me. Ha 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 ha. The parrot did not bow down to the elephant. The angry elephant picked up the whole tree and began to shake it. The parrot could not sit on that tree anymore. He flew away. Ha 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 ha. Go, go, fly away. Now you see what I can do. You all are so weak in front of me. Ha ha ha. The proud elephant then walked away. Like always, he went to the river to drink water. Just beside the river, there lived an ant in a small anthill. Every day, the ant would collect food, and every day, the elephant would bother the ant. Today was no different. As the elephant was drinking water, he saw the ant. You teeny ant, where are you taking the food? I have to take this back to my house. It will start raining soon. I have to stay prepared and collect a lot of food. Ha 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 ha. I see. Elephant then drew water in his big trunk and sprayed it on the ant. Water spoiled her food, and the ant was now completely wet. Ha 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 ha. Laugh all you want, elephant. I will teach you a lesson someday. Oh, I am so scared. A teeny ant wants to teach me a lesson? Go away. I might crush you under my feet. Go back to your teeny house. The ant was very angry at the elephant and his pride. She swore she will teach him a lesson. I will have to do something about this elephant. He cannot keep troubling everyone like that. The next day, as the ant stepped out to collect more food, she saw that the elephant was sleeping. She immediately came up with a plan. She quietly walked near him and slipped inside his trunk. Once inside, she began to bite him. She kept beating the elephant until he woke up and started screaming in pain. My trunk hurts so bad. Who is inside? Get out of there. It hurts so bad. The ant heard him screaming and kept biting. The elephant was now in a lot of pain. He began to cry. Somebody please help me. Help me. Please. Who is inside my trunk? Get out. The ant heard the elephant cries and came out of his trunk. The elephant was shocked to see the teeny ant. He was so afraid that the ant would bite him again that he knelt down and began to apologize. Please forgive me. I will never trouble you again. Elephant understand his mistake. He left from there and he never troubled anybody after that day. Now you see, nobody is big or small. We all are capable in our own ways. Don't be proud of your skills. Use it to help others. Kids, so what have we learned? That we all have their own capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.